Hey guys, I'm going to be checking out a prop today that I think you all might like. It's a 20 watt RGB floodlight that can be purchased on Amazon. Now, it's not really that cool when you first look at it, but it can make other props look great. You can have it flash, you could have it change any color you want virtually, and it's also pretty bright. You could probably shine it at like some props from Spirit Halloween to make them look neater, or some static props, maybe cobwebs. Maybe use it as a spotlight for props that don't light up, or they could be used for like pretty much just adding some cool lighting effects to your Halloween hunt. And that'll be it. Goodbye.